All right, we're going to start up here on the front passenger side corner of this 15 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Again, we're going to do this video just to point out any flaws, not necessarily hype it up, although this is a very cool Jeep. So starting at the front bumper here, bumper seems to be in very good shape. Slightly faded, but that comes back with a little armor all pretty easily. A little scuff here, little chip here and here. Again, nothing major. Rest of the bumper looks real good. Front fender looks real good. Headlight, excellent shape. Front grille looks fantastic. Second headlight looks great. Hood looks really, really good. No major scratches, dents, or dings. Front fender, again, looks real good. Nothing major. Little tiny scuffs here and there. It's still a 5-year-old vehicle, so it's going to have a couple little things like that. See the Sahara trim level. All right, front wheel on the driver's side. Rim's in awesome shape, so no curb rash. Tires are brand new. Open country Toyos. Side view mirror looks good on the driver door. Driver door side step looks fantastic. Driver door, no major scratches, dents, or dings. Got a little bit of the paint separating here on the hinge, but again, that's not a big deal. Still looks fantastic. Rear door on the driver's side, same thing. No scratches, dents, or dings. Looks fantastic. Handles are all in excellent shape. Glass is all in great shape. Rear fender looks fantastic. Rear wheel, again, matching set of tires. Rim looks fantastic. Rear bumper, little discoloration here and here, but still looks real good. It's got a full-size spare. Passenger side of the rear bumper looks good. Tail light looks good. Scratches here, which is pretty normal. Trunk area looks real good. Looks like it's got its original floor mats. That's kind of cool. And a subwoofer. There you go. Okay, rear quarter panel on the passenger side looks good. A little discoloration on the rear rim on the passenger side, but no curb rash. Rear fender looks real good. A couple little scuffs here and there. Passenger side looks real good. Rear door on the passenger side looks good. Passenger door looks real good. Side view mirror on the passenger side looks good. You got a scratch right here, and you got a small blemish right here as well. Up top looks real good. There's no cracks, no stars, no bursts on the windshield. Now let's check out inside. That's a great looking Jeep. Driver door looks excellent. Buttons and handles are all in good shape. A little bit of wear right here. Driver's seat, excellent condition. Okay, dashboard looks fantastic. This is equipped with an Alpine stereo system right from the factory. All the buttons look real good. Passenger seat looks great. This does has the Freedom top, so these two front tops will actually come out for you without having to take off the entire back, which is very, very cool. It's like a huge sunroof. Rear seats look great. We're going to start her up real quick. Super quiet as you start it up. Ice cold air conditioning. No warning lights on the dash. Good sounding stereo system. I don't hear any blown speakers or anything. Steering wheel. Let's take a quick look under the hood. super quiet. Very, very clean. So one of the things people sometimes forget is these things are so much fun. Like these doors all come off. The top comes off. I mean, you can totally open this up for a little fun in the sun. I'm going to take it for a little spin here. Brakes feel real good.